makes it easy.
The cold welded half profiles are prepared for the welding process. For this purpose, two half profiles are inserted into the welding device in the opposite direction. As soon as all half profiles are inserted, the half profiles are welded to form profiles. Since the profiles will be required later in different lengths, the welded profile is cut to size for the planned light crane system. This gives the profiles a clean and straight cutting edge. This is particularly important to ensure the subsequent shape binding of the profile joints. The profiles are tested for dimension and shape using profile gauges. Tests with profile gauges are carried out even more frequently in the production process, because this is the only way we can ensure that everything is manufactured 100% precisely. The profiles are measured using a state-of-the-art laser measuring system and, if corrections are required, rotated around the longitudinal axis on a strengthening bench until the profile is absolutely straight. In a parallel production line, however, roundness is also important. Curves, switches and turntables are manufactured here. In this production, machines are not used. The profiles are welded here by hand. In the meantime, the coupling tubes are welded to the profiles in the main production line. These small sleeves are later needed to connect profiles. In this way, the profiles can be combined and expanded as desired. After the coupling tubes have been welded and the profile has been able to cool down, the gap dimensions of the passage of the trolleys is checked and, if necessary, readjusted. The same applies to the inclusion of the suspension. A measuring gauge indicates whether the profile needs to be adjusted or not. This must be done very carefully, as too much or too little force in the wrong place could result in rework. This also ensures the required quality here. Since all measures now fit exactly, the profile can be painted. By default, the shade
2002
is used here. Other colors are available on request. Not only the color can be adjusted, but also the corrosion protection. As standard, the corrosion protection corresponds to the class C2M. After painting, the profiles are moved into the drying chamber. They remain there until they are completely dried. The profiles are picked on an order-related basis and sent for packaging. For later transport, the profiles are fastened with square timber and strapping. This serves for later transport protection and at the same time better handling. Immediately afterwards, the profile pass through the packaging machine. Here they are protected against external influences during the transport. The packaged profiles are now loaded directly into the truck and then transported to their destination. The profiles can be delivered either directly to the end customer on appointment or to the crane builder. In this way, we offer the maximum possible flexibility.
Makes it easy.